I was still on the fence between going forwards and just keeping these pegs, but after today's ride, it kind of made up my mind to keep the mids and just get the highways. I wonder if they got like lost.
Maybe. Oh, no, that's our blocker.
That's our blocker. Yeah, he's going to block for this guy.
Dude, that's all supermotos.
Yeah, he's blocking for us.
Look at all of them.
Oh wow, that is an entire sumo group. Holy shit. Or I wonder if that's Subimoto's group and they just got lost.
It might be. I never saw them up there.
Because you know all the Supermoto are going to want to ride with Subi. I wonder if people know that you can get a 1000cc bike and not stretch it.
I don't know.
It's so bad in San Antonio especially. Like you almost never see a 1000cc bike not stretched.
I mean, yeah, if it's a drag bike, I get it, but
exactly.
Shit, I saw a video. It was a stretched boost, and it probably like a good 3 or 4 foot.
What's this guy doing? Watch this guy on the shoulder.
Yeah, I see him. Yeah, it would probably stretch about 3.5 feet, and he'd still lift the mother backwards.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
How do you even get that much traction?
I don't know. It was a drag bike though. It was like a nitrous drag bike.
Oh, okay.
Well, he was on the strip too, so it
definitely hooked.
Yeah.
Slowing up here.
We turning?
I don't know, but there's water over there and it looks very nice.
Oh, it looks beautiful. It's like Travis, isn't it?
I believe so, or the river that feeds into it.
Yeah.
That's where Moto takes a bunch of his drone shots and shit.
Oh, does he?
Yeah. He'll go up there. This is like there's like a nature trail you can walk up and overlook that whole area.
Oh, that's badass.
I've never been, but all the basic bitches that come to Austin have to do it.
Is that like the...
Check it out. Yeah. Ow, leg crap again. It happens every time I do that. Oh, this is kind of cool.
I was gonna say, is that like the Austin Mansion Hilltop?
Yeah, it is. Slowing up. God damn it. Leg cramp. Oh!
We turned
exit to the right. Oh my god, stop.
Yeah, not a good idea to do that.
It happened last time. I thought it was just like a one-time thing, but nope.
Dude, when I get cramps, I pop my passenger pegs down and stick my legs back.
Oh. It's not really a bad idea. Oh no, ow, that's the reverse. Ow, that's the opposite of what I want to do.
Doesn't work too good, huh?
I guess it's only like, oh, he beat us.
Oh.
He caught up.
Holy shit, my little orange piece of paper is still stuck in my helmet.
There's a lot more than 6 bikes behind us.
Oh shit, and that swing. Well, there was one more group behind us. I guess they caught up.
Oh wow. Man, I wonder how much those apartments cost.
What's that?
So I wonder how much those apartments cost up to the right.
Oh hell, I don't know.
More than you can afford, pal.
Yeah, right. A lot of money.
And there's even more up there. That's crazy.
Shit, it's nice out here.
It is so nice out here. I'm surprised it's still as green as it is.
Right? Well, we have been getting a good amount of rain.
That's true. It's probably still oversaturated from all that flooding.
Yeah.
We don't have a blocker, so watch yourself.
Yeah. Don't give a shit.
That was sketchy because that car's coming in the turn lane.
Yeah.
I thought I was done for.
Yep.
Damn, my visor's so clean, I just checked to see if it was down.
Oh, shit.
I was like, am I wearing sunglasses? Or, like, I couldn't tell what was going on.
Mine's already splattered with bugs.
I've been lucky, I guess.
That dude right next to you needs to shift down.
I was just thinking the same thing. I wonder if he can. He's in 5th. I saw his gear indicator. Do they have 6? I don't even know.
I don't know. I got 6.
Cop.
I can't. Yep. No, officer, we're not doing anything illegal.
Nope. That building looks like it hides like robotics for the Russian military.
Yeah, no joke. It's all secretive and back into the woods.
And reflective windows and shit.
Yeah. You do not need to know anything about this place.
Yeah.
Alright. Right here beside you.
Alright. That's not, dude. So if during the episode you're wondering who I'm talking to, it's this guy right here to my left.
Sup?
That guy in the pottery store gave us like the dirtiest look, like, oh, you freaking bikers.
Get out of my town.
What's funny is he looked like Fry Riding, so
Really?
yeah, about the same age, build, shaved head. That's Fry Riding's gay cousin.
Right? Woo, I like this road.
Oh man, that's...
Oh, we're turning left.
Yay, nobody went down.
Yeah, no kidding. Isn't that where that one guy in the sidecar went down last year?
Dude, there was like 5 people that went down last year.
Well, no, that dude in the sidecar like wiped shit and went into the forest.
Yeah, I saw that one. I see guys up on the balcony getting shots of us from up there.
Yeah. Oh, is that the place, Oasis?
Yeah. That place over to the left is the parking garage, and that's where there's like a ridiculous amount of parking.
Ah, I got you.
That guy wasn't happy at all.
Like, sorry, bud. Oh, so this is right out on the lake, isn't
It's
it?
right on the lake. Yeah, you can like
Nice.
eat at a table like overlooking the lake. It's pretty awesome.
That's badass.
The food's decently priced too. Like it's maybe
ain't
like
bad.
a little bit more expensive than like a Chili's,
Oh, that's not too bad.
but yeah, it's pretty good. Here we go.
Yeah, buddy. Hey, look at this
Holy
road.
shit!
That's a lot of people.
Whoa, okay. Hey, buddy, I appreciate that. That's very
Right?
nice of you.
Now, question,
Now
where do
this
we
guy,
want? Yeah.
that's the guy that was open carrying.
Yeah.
Now this guy over to the left.
Yeah. Look at all the groms.
Hell yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah, it is.
And there's so many 6'4" Honda fanboys out here.
Yeah.
Here's Dickhead
Where's Dickhead?
right here.
Dickhead!
What's up, buddy?
What's up, buddy? What's up? How's it going, man? Pretty good, man.
I just totally got ignored by this guy.
Oh! Can't kill with me! God damn it!
He didn't kill switch, he turned your bike off. Oh man, that's money. I got that too.
I did too. You know what? I'm proud of that.
I'm gonna turn left here and kind of spin around.
Alright.
Oh, I'm gonna park right behind this bad boy.
That'll work.
What is this? Is this like a wide glide or a
Breakout.
breakout? God damn, it's huge.
Yeah, it's a real wide soft tail.
That's gorgeous.
Thanks, Bash.
What's up, man? I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Hold on.
Oh shit.
Whew.
Y'all rode up in San Antonio crew? Thanks, Bash.
That?
Yeah, I live in San Antonio. I saw your post on there, but I went up 281.
Oh, okay. You took the scenic route.
Yeah, because I remember Wolverine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you got a nice group.
Yeah. Yeah, we had about 45 bikes come up, so.
Cool, yeah. Nice Harley.
Thank you.
Nice and clean.
He's riding good today.
I saw Dan hear me yell.
Dude, did you see me? I was like this, and he just walked right past me. I was like,